Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are having an amazing day. Today in this video we'll be talking about how to do a poll on Instagram. So without wasting your time, let's get into our video. For doing so, first of all just open Instagram and from here just tap on this your story. I have also made a video on how to make a poll on Instagram with pictures, so if you want to watch that video then just tap on this button. So for now we will just continue our video. You just have to click on this create and after that just tap on this and go to this icon at the top and here just tap on this poll. Now here you can ask any question. So by default our option is yes or no. You can also change this option. So here I will just change my option as. After that I will just click on this send to and here I will just add this to my story. Okay, now click on this done and now if I check my story then here you can see that I have added this poll to my Instagram story. Okay, so hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.